Dowry is a serious social issue that has affected Indian society for decades. To prevent the exploitation and harassment of women in marriage, India enacted the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. This law makes giving, taking, or demanding dowry a punishable offence. Dowry refers to any property, valuable security, cash, jewelry, or gifts given or agreed to be given directly or indirectly in connection with marriage. It does not matter whether the demand is made before marriage, at the time of marriage, or even after marriage. If the demand is linked to the marriage relationship, it can fall under the definition of dowry. Under the Dowry Prohibition Act, demanding dowry is illegal. The punishment may include imprisonment of up to 5 years and a fine. Even agreeing to give or receive dowry can amount to an offence under the law. The law applies not only to the husband but also to his relatives who participate in the demand. In addition to this act, Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code provides protection against cruelty by a husband or his relatives. Cruelty related to dowry harassment is treated as a criminal offence. If a woman is subjected to continuous harassment for dowry, she can file a complaint at the police station. The police are required to register the complaint and investigate the matter. In more serious cases, if a woman dies under unnatural circumstances within 7 years of marriage and there is evidence of dowry harassment, the law may presume dowry death under Section 304B of the IPC. Dowry death is a grave and non-bailable offence. The burden may shift to the accused if harassment is proven shortly before the death. Courts treat such cases with strict seriousness because they involve loss of life. It is important to understand that voluntary gifts given without demand do not automatically become dowry. The key factor is demand connected to marriage. The purpose of the dowry law is to protect women from financial pressure, emotional abuse, and violence. Marriage should never become a financial transaction. Demanding dowry is not a cultural right, it is a punishable crime. Understanding this law helps families protect dignity, equality, and justice within marriage. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.